see. All right. Everybody stand.
Are you ready to go over there? I can't see anything.
Yes, ready to go.
Hey guys, I'm Kat Perkins. Ryan and Ashley, I'm so sorry I couldn't be there for your special day, so I wanted to send you a special song for your special moment. What would you do if you weren't afraid? What crazy chances would you take? It's all right here in front of you, all right here in front of you. There's no love without heartbreak. Holding out for someday, but someday's always late. Counting on that one day, but you don't have to wait. If you live fearless. If you love fearless. Life on overdrive. Take your chance and fly tonight with fearless. What if you lived your life out loud? Not in the silence of your doubt. I know that words can cut so deep, but who the hell cares what they think? What if you let yourself be proud? If you live fearless. If you love fearless. Life on overdrive. Take your chance and fly tonight with fearless. And just let it go tonight. Nothing to lose. We're flying high tonight, me and you. No limits, no regrets, no tomorrow. Tonight we're fearless. What would you do if you weren't afraid? What crazy chances would you take? If you live fearless. If you love fearless. Yeah. Life on overdrive. Take your chance and fly tonight with fearless. Yeah, fearless. So tonight we're fearless. What would you do if you weren't afraid?
Woo! All right, everybody grab a tissue. Oh.